So this is a video of a trade that I took today. Okay, so if you can see, the strategy is the white line, the white moving average is a 21 EMA. These green lines that you see over here are an indication that the 21 EMA is angling up 35 degrees or more, and when that happens, I wait for a pullback to the 50 or the 45, which are these dashed lines here on the bottom, okay, or close enough. That's why I have this order, limit order pending over here, okay. So once that happens, then I enter long, okay, and if you can see, I'm setting up the risk reward, you know, as a moving averages, the 50 and the 45 moving average, you know, grind up, accommodating that entry, okay. And the reason I put it a little higher is because sometimes it just goes right before it and it just bounces hard, you know, and I miss the entrance. So now let's see, as you can see, it's going down and down and down. It's about to kick me in, and now kicked in. So that's that, and then I'm gonna keep going a little more. Fast forward a little more. There's a point that I started going on drawdown, but this moving average cross over here, the 50 and 100 volume weighted moving average, that level over there where they cross is a very important level, okay. So is this level over here, okay. So that's why I decided to move my stop loss a little farther down, okay. So you can see, let's keep going forward. Fast forward a little bit. See, I was respecting that level, okay. Okay. Now, one of my rule is, once we have a green candle closing above, in this case, because I'm in a long position, closing above the 50 or the 45 EMA high, which are these dashed lines over here, technically I can start reducing my risk. And the reason I didn't do it on this one yet, because it closed above it, but not by much, right? And the 21 EMA is not angling up again yet, so that's why I left my risk, my stop loss still down there. Keep going up. So now with this candle, that's a good place to move my stop loss to break even or reduce risk a little more, you know, because now the 21 EMA is angling up again. This is a 5-minute chart, and I'm about to show you where I made a huge mistake. Okay, right, price is coming. I still have 12 contracts, 12 MES contracts on. Okay. So now you see I closed 10 contracts, right? I just paused the video there real quick, and I closed 10 contracts, and that's my P&L now over here, right? But this is a mistake I made. I'm gonna show you on TradeZilla. Okay, that first trade, right? I closed the 10 contracts. I actually first closed all the contracts on Tradovate and on my Tradify account. I had two Tradify straight to funded account, and I closed them and I got this profit, right? But then because I am copy trading, I forgot to turn off the copy trading on the Tradify accounts, and once I sold 10 contracts over here, it basically took me short on Tradify, and that's the solid trade that you see here. You see short this trade, 10 contracts, and that shouldn't have been a trade, you know. So that was a mistake on my part, not being aware. And now if I discontinue this recording over here, that's it. So basically it ended the on my Fonda futures about 4.99, okay, but on the other one, because I had that copy error, okay, it ended up being 371. Okay, so now I have another trade over here that's setting up. See, 21 EMA is angling up again. I'm gonna move this up a little more. Right there. I'm waiting for the price to pull back, get a cheap price. I'm trying to use, you know, that mentality of the stop loss is the entrance. So a lot of people will be entering long over here. I'm not. I'm gonna enter long way down here, you know. So we'll see what happens. I'll see you on the next video. Oh, like and subscribe, and also if you want this indicator, the moving average angle alert indicator, this one right here, it is on TradingView. You can look for SMA angle alerts, this one right here by Ready Set Fire. Okay, and it's pretty cool. You can, if you go on the setting, you can choose the EMA type, SMA, EMA, WMA, volume weighted moving average, and then you can change the length to whatever you want, and you can set the angles of how many degrees and how many bars does the indicator looks back to tell you the indication of the angle. Okay, so, and also the reason why I don't like to enter right away when the moving average, you know, you get there's angling up, because it's often there is a pullback. Okay, but I like a really deep pullback to the 50s EMAs. Okay, so that's it for now. See you in the next one.